and sounding of the gong by our Honorable Chief Minister, Governor of Nagaland, Dr. NEIPHIU RIO. I request our Chief Host to kindly come down to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the muzzle loading gun firing was the 21 gun salute by Lengha village. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And now I give the time for the Hornbill Harmony, the Oako Singers.